driving me crazy it is. Anyway, hello. This is my third attempt to upload something on YouTube. I think the second time I used the F word and YouTube blocked me. The first time Smart School kind of effed up again, and so it's my third time now. I'm trying to be relaxed. Hello, how are you? Fine, thank you. Anyway, your task for today. Not sure the poetry thing was a big success last week, so we'll go back to the book. And as I indicated online in your school agenda, we are starting at page 96, and page 96 is about cooking shows. And the weird thing is the way that, life sometimes intersects with school is that all of a sudden we're cooking and baking at home because we've got nothing else to do. So that's kind of fun, really, because we're dealing with cooking shows, and I think there's a lot of Jamie Oliver and the like on TV right now, or we're downloading their recipes. So there you go. To be quite honest, this is all self-explanatory. The book or the handbook that we use is kind of easy. So I would like you to start at page 96 and read the text on page 97, of course, which is about cooking shows in general and how funny it is, really, that we're watching. Let's be honest, we're all watching cooking shows, but we never really cook. So maybe that has changed now. So there you go. Answer the questions on those 2 pages kind of thing. And then, we all know Jamie Oliver, of course. I'm not sure if you know Nigella Lawson, which is she's called the goddess, I think. The domestic goddess, even. She doesn't only cook, she cleans and she does everything, and she looks beautiful. So there you go. I have uploaded a video of her recipe, which is also written in your book. Have a look at the video, see if you understand it, see if you want to make it. It's kind of delicious, but it's got about 3,000 calories. Anyway, I need to wrap this up within 3 minutes. So basically, look at the video, answer the questions. Then there's a Jamie Oliver recipe as well, which you can make at home, and then you can send it on a Deliveroo bike to me because I'm hungry, because I can't cook. Anyway, so that's on pages 99 and 100, and that's where you stop for this week. I think that's fine. We'll see each other on live later on. See ya. Bye.